Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I hope you guys are doing great and I'm back with a brand new video, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can solve the Telegram is not connecting problem. So without wasting any of your time, let's jump to the video. So when you try to create an account on Telegram, what happens is that you do not receive the OTP code. So in order to solve this problem, you need to go to the Play Store and download this VPN called Turbo VPN. Once the VPN is installed, click on open and then click on this connect option. Okay, now the VPN is connected, so open Telegram now. Now enter your phone number and try to connect. And as you can see, the Telegram is now working. Okay guys, that's it for this video. And if you guys have any question regarding this video, then feel free to contact me on Instagram. I'll give the link somewhere in description below. Also, if you guys like the video, then please make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. I'll keep a like aim of 30 likes on this video, so help me achieve the target too. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.